When the total of debit and credit balances become equal, it helps in verification of arithmetical accuracy. जैसे ट्रायल बैलेंस काम करता है ना कि डेबिट क्रेडिट बराबर आए तो अरिथमेटिकल एक्यूरेसी, ऐसी डिसोल्यूशन ऑफ पार्टनरशिप फर्म के टाइम पे जब हम कैश अकाउंट लास्ट में बना देते हैं उसका डेबिट और क्रेडिट हमेशा मैच करता है. तो आयुषी गेम के रूल्स आपको पता है. 20 क्वेश्चन है. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन आपका ये रहा. व्हाट इज द नेचर ऑफ रियलाइजेशन अकाउंट?
सर नॉमिनल अकाउंट.
करेक्ट आंसर. Under which situation economic relationship among the partners does not come to end?
Not come to end. Dissolution of partnership.
Very good. It's an MCQ question. Change in the existing agreement between the partners is called option A, dissolution of firm, dissolution of partnership, dissolution of business, or all of the above.
Dissolution of partnership.
Correct answer. On firm's dissolution, when a partner gives his personal assets to firm's creditor, okay, as payment, which account will be debited? I repeat the question. On firm's dissolution, when a partner gives his personal assets to firm's creditor as a payment, which account will be debited? Option A, realization account. Option B, partners capital account. Option C, cash account. And D, none of the above.
So realization account.
Correct answer. Next question. On dissolution of a firm, a partner took over the investments of 15,000 rupees at rupees 19,000.
Okay.
By how much amount realization account will be credited?
That's an MCQ.
Option A, 4,000.
I know that. 19,000, sir.
Okay, correct answer. Question number 6. Which section of the Partnership Act specifies the mode of settlement of accounts on the dissolution of partnership firm?
Section 48.
Very nice. बहुत बढ़िया. When the duration of partnership firm is not fixed and it is at will, any partner by giving notice to other partner can dissolve the firm.
Yes.
This is mentioned under which section of the Partnership Act?
43.
Correct
Section
answer.
43.
Correct answer. This question is about the new CBSE guideline. Okay. As per the new CBSE guidelines, if nothing is stated about the realization of assets,
Okay.
then which assets will be assumed to have realized at no value?
At no value, intangible assets.
Correct answer. What is the journal entry of closing the liabilities account?
Closing the liabilities account. Okay, they are transferred to the realization account and the entry is liabilities account debit to realization.
बिल्कुल सही है. It's an MCQ.
Okay.
Which account is prepared at the time of dissolution of partnership?
Partnership.
Option A, revaluation account. B, profit and loss account. C, profit and loss appropriation account. And D, realization account.
So revaluation account.
Correct answer. So 10 questions का आपने बिल्कुल सही जवाब दे दिया है. You are on question number 11. Only those assets, ये थोड़ा सा lengthy question है.
Okay.
Only those assets which can be converted into cash are transferred to realization account. But there are certain items reflected in the assets like accumulated losses, like debit balance of profit and loss, or deferred revenue expenditure like debit balance of advertisement suspense account are not to be transferred to realization account. What are these assets called as?
So fictitious assets.
Perfect. The another name of realization account is profit and loss adjustment account. True or false?
False.
So what's the right answer?
So revaluation account. Second.
Nice. Good. Question number 13. At the time of dissolution of firm, cash in hand account is transferred to which account?
So cash account.
Good. If there is debtors amounted to rupees 50,000, and provision for doubtful debt is 4,000. You are getting me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And the debtors are realized in full. What will be reflected in the realization account? Profit, loss, or no profit, no loss?
No profit, no loss.
गलत जवाब.
Loss?
The answer is profit.
Okay, profit.
Question number 15. While doing settlement of accounts, first of all, the amount of loss shall be paid out of profits. Next, out of capital. And lastly, if the loss is yet not covered, then what to do?
Can you please repeat?
Sure. While doing settlement of accounts under section 48, first of all, amount of loss shall be paid out of profits. Next, out of capital. And lastly, if the loss is not covered yet, then what to do?
The personal assets of the partners or the assets of the firm.
सबसे पहले प्रॉफिट में से कवर करेंगे, फिर उसके बाद कैपिटल में से कवर कर लेंगे. अगर फिर भी कवर ना हो पाया लॉस, तो फिर कहाँ से कवर करेंगे?
I go with assets of the firm. No? Okay.
द आंसर इज फिर हम इसे पार्टनर से प्रॉफिट शेयरिंग रेशो में कवर करेंगे
Partners से.
पर्सनली. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. What is prepared for calculating the missing figures of various assets and liabilities at the time of dissolving the firm? What is prepared for calculating the missing figures of various assets and liabilities at the time of dissolving the firm?
Realization account.
गलत आंसर. Memorandum balance sheet.
Memorandum balance. अच्छा हाँ. Okay, sir.
So मेरे पास 4 क्वेश्चन रह गए आपके लिए. What is the journal entry to be passed when more amount is paid than the book value of loan taken from HDFC Bank? आराम से सोच के आंसर देना, कोई जल्दी नहीं है. आराम से सोचो, बिल्कुल टेक योर टाइम. मैं दोबारा बोलता हूँ. What is the journal entry to be passed when more amount is paid than the book value of loan taken from HDFC Bank?
Realization account debit to bank.
बहुत अच्छे, ब्यूटीफुल, बहुत बढ़िया. अगला क्वेश्चन, ये थोड़ा ट्रिकी है. When both the debts of the firm and private debts of a partner coexist, okay?
Yes, sir.
There are certain set of rules for applying the firm's property and private property of a partner. Under which section these rules are mentioned?
Section 49.
Very nice. बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत बढ़िया. What is the purpose of preparing cash account other than recording receipts and payments of cash while accounting for dissolution of partnership firm? अपना पूरा टाइम लो, कोई जल्दी नहीं है इस आंसर की.
Can you please repeat?
हाँ, sure. What is the purpose of preparing cash account other than recording receipts and payments of cash while accounting for dissolution of partnership firm?
Other than receipts and payments,
Yeah.
both.
हाँ.
Okay.
No idea.
Maybe
पढ़ा है कहीं?
chapter में तो नहीं पढ़ा कहीं. Maybe because in order to assess how much amount is to go to the partners, or no, or the cash flow position of our, मतलब how much amount is going in expenses or incomes.
चलो मैं बता देता हूँ. When the total of debit and credit balances become equal, it helps in verification of arithmetical accuracy of accounts.
Okay, arithmetical accuracy.
जैसे ट्रायल बैलेंस काम करता है ना कि डेबिट क्रेडिट बराबर आए तो अरिथमेटिकल एक्यूरेसी, ऐसी डिसोल्यूशन ऑफ पार्टनरशिप फर्म के टाइम पे जब हम कैश अकाउंट लास्ट में बना देते हैं उसका डेबिट और क्रेडिट हमेशा मैच करता है. एक तरफ तो जहाँ हम डेबिट में आना और क्रेडिट में जाना लिख रहे होते हैं, वहीं दूसरी ओर जब ये मैच कर जाता है तो ऐसा लगता है कि अरिथमेटिकली मेरा क्वेश्चन बिल्कुल ठीक है. तो बुक्स ऑफ अकाउंट्स की अरिथमेटिकल एक्यूरेसी टेस्ट करता है. थैंक यू आयुषी. आपके 4 आंसर्स गलत हुए बट 16 को आपने बहुत नाइसली अटेम्प्ट किया. गुड अटेम्प्ट. थैंक यू बेटा, थैंक यू. सो हियर इज योर कैश प्राइज.
Okay, thank you, sir.
थैंक यू बेटा.